how to do the knockdown stitch, especially for towels. What you can do is select your object, go under create layouts, go to create outlines and offsets, click on it, check mark offset outlines, not this one, not include holes, and I start with 3mm and I do it 3 times so I can delete 2 that I don't like and keep 1 I do like, and click OK. Now you get a line around your object. This small thing we don't need, so I'm going to delete that one. The first one I think is too close at the horse, so I will delete that one too. I think the second will be nice, so I'm going to delete the third also. I think this one is okay. Select that one, go to fill, go under object properties, under fill, the spacing I will use 3, I say enter. And here the stitching, underlay I will delete. I don't want an underlay. So then it's going to look like this. This one I'm going to duplicate because it's still selected, so I can duplicate this one, and I'm going to change the direction. This one was 15, must be around here somewhere, I'm not sure. I think this is more or less opposite direction. It's coming close. So click on select. What you can do is, of course, change the color. Also what you need to do is they are here at the bottom, so it will become on top of the little horse. So don't forget, select both and click on this one, move to top. Now it's under the horse, and now I can change the color if I want. If I have a white towel, I will make it white. Also, of course, you can, even if you have a white towel, you can make it light blue or whatever color you like. But I prefer to keep it in the color of the towel, so I do it white. And that's it. So good luck for those who want to use the knockdown stitch.